Medico Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of disposable flocked swabs, disposable virus transport medium, saliva collection kit, cell preservation solution and sampling swabs. The company is committed to becoming a leader in molecular diagnosis, genetic testing, and detection reagent industry. As consumables manufacturer in the field of in vitro diagnostic, Medico follows the relevant laws and regulations of China's Food and Drug Administration and gets the Medical Device Production Permission Certificate and the Medical Products Registration Certificate of Class 2. And gets CE, FDA, ISO 13485. With a number of product patents, Medico's products are widely used in medical and health institutions, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, laboratories, third-party test center, entry-exit inspection and quarantine, the Public Security Police. Quality and reliable sampling consumables is guaranteed. Since Medico was founded in 2016, the company's ongoing investment of equipment currently has injection molding workshop, cut production workshop, filling workshop, and automatic packaging production workshop. Covers an area of 5,000 square meters. Daily capacity can up to 1.5 million swabs. What we do here is to strictly control every production process from the source and ensure the safety of the product. King D ERP management system runs through the whole production process and also becomes a reliable basis for traceability of enterprise products.
We can provide a Nylon flaky swab, DNA surveyor corrector, virus transfer medium, and CHG applicator product, which meet your requirements. We also can provide OEM, ODM, and OBM service. Our company aim is to fight for the cause of human health. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.